Good evening students, welcome to Basic Electrical Laboratory Lectures. So in this lecture I am going to explain how to do the experimental setup, circuit connections for three-phase star and delta connection to measure the line and phase quantities. Okay, in star connection what are the line quantities? Line voltage and phase voltages. Line voltage and phase voltage differ by √3. In star connection VL is √3 VPH, and in star connection line current and phase current both are equal. And similarly in delta connection line voltage and phase voltage are equal, and line current is √3 times of phase current. So this brings relationship between line and phase quantities, either voltage or current, we are going to do experimentally in Basic Electrical Laboratory. So this is the setup we have in laboratory. So this video is applicable only for Saptagiri College of Engineering students. Okay, let's see how to do the connections. So we have a three-phase circuit board, that is called a test kit, and we need instruments. See, there are two voltages, line voltage and phase voltage. In order to measure line and phase voltage, obviously we have to take 2 voltmeters. Okay, so we need 2 voltmeters. Since we are working on AC supply, we need AC voltmeters. One voltmeter will measure line voltage, another voltmeter will measure phase voltage. Similarly, we have two currents, line current and phase current. So therefore we require 2 ammeters. What we are working, which supply we are working? On three-phase AC supply. Therefore we require AC ammeters. Okay, having dual range. So we need to take the ammeter with this range, 0 to 5 bar 10 ampere range. You have to select it. For star connection you take 5 ampere, for delta you take 10 ampere. Even though if you take for star connection 10 ampere, no problem, but you will get very small reading, you are unable to note down that reading. Only for that purpose I said you take 5 ampere for star connection, 10 amps you take for delta connection. Okay. Similarly, in voltmeter we have 2 terminals, 3 terminals we have. One is common terminal, other 2 terminals are voltage terminal. We have a 300 volt option and 600 volt option. Since we are working on three-phase AC supply, the voltage range is 450. How can you take 300 volt option? Obviously you have to take 600 volt option. Keep in mind, if you are working on three-phase supply, select the voltage in voltmeter 600 volt option. Okay, got it? So another ammeter, this ammeter will measure phase current, this ammeter will measure line current. So first I am doing connections for star connection. Okay, I will do the circuit connections for star configuration. First I will do for star connection. Later I will do for delta. So this is called test kit, and this is the lamp load man. Okay, consisting of 2 switches, and finally in the outlet there are 6 terminals. So top 3 terminals and bottom 3 terminals. Top 3 terminals are starting terminals and bottom 3 terminals are finishing terminals. Okay, so starting terminals we named as R, Y, B. Finishing terminal named as R dash, Y dash and B dash. Okay, now in the test kit, okay, we will give supply. There will be 4 wires. These 4 wires we are going to connect to the three-phase AC supply. But while doing connections, don't connect these 4 wires directly to the supply. Okay, while doing connection, don't connect these wires and keep the MCB in off position. So there will be toggle switch will be there. So you can keep either in on position or off position. But while doing connections, you keep the MCB in off position and don't connect these wires to the supply point. Okay, take a precaution. While working with AC supply, you should be very careful, and that is three-phase AC supply. See, in our test kit, there will be starting 3 terminals. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All are internally connected. Means all these are R only. Okay, R phase supply. Okay, and another 3 terminals are shorted internally with a silver strip. Okay, silver or copper strip. They are going to short all these 3 terminals. and B phase. Actually here B means not black, you consider blue. Okay, since I don't have color pens, so I have written like this. R is red, Y is yellow, but I written green, consider yellow, and B is blue, not black. Okay, and N is neutral. Generally neutral will be black color. See, so after this three connections, okay, R is completely shorted, Y is shorted, and B is shorted. See, if this is R means it is shorted. This also becomes R. This also becomes R. Y, 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 B, B, B. All are same only. Now, if I join this terminal and this terminal, what happens? Then all these four will become same. If I join this and this, what happens? This and all together will be same. And if I join this and this, what happens? And all these four will become same. Similarly, here open terminals. If I join this, all these four become same. If I join this and this, what happens? Then everything will become B, and like this. By joining, everything will become Y, and by joining all this, everything will become R. But don't do like that. But don't worry about lot of pins are in the board. Need not to worry regarding that. It is complete one connection. R, Y, and B. Okay, got it? So need not to worry about it. Worry about that. Look at here. R, Y, B. After this, there will be some gap. And there will be pins like this. Okay, with the same color pins will be there. But there will be a gap. You need not to worry about these three pins. Need not to worry about those three pins. Okay. After MCV, you start counting 1, 2, 3. 3 pins are there. That is the final. Start from here onwards, you should do the connections. Okay. So before doing connections, okay, first step, when you got this experiment, what you should do is R, Y, B, all the top terminals you connected to top side, and all bottom terminals R dash, Y dash, B dash connected to bottom terminals. We can do that. So I am connecting the same color. So R is connected to R. First do like that, and Y is connected to Y, and then B is connected to B. First step you should do this. All top connected to top side. Okay. Then next bottom R dash. Okay. R dash is connected to R dash, and Y dash is connected to Y dash is connected to Y dash, and B dash is connected to B dash. B dash is connected to B dash. So you can take in this way also. So need not to worry. You can, since wires you can connect as you like. Okay. Now connect B phase. B dash I connected to B dash. Similarly, you can connect Y dash to Y dash. Okay. Keep in mind. Don't think that all these are internally connected. Okay. So not like that. So simply connect R dash to R dash, Y dash to Y dash, B dash to B dash. Fine. See, if I connect all the bottom terminals here, then here open is there. If I join this, then everything will become B dash. Till here B dash only. Okay. So it is shorted, B dash, B dash. Shorted, this also become B dash. Again shorted, till here B dash. If I join this, everything will become Y dash. If I join this, everything will become R dash. Okay, got it? Now, you should start doing the connection. Whatever circuit diagram you have written, okay, like that you do the connections. See, first do the connections without having voltmeters. Without having voltmeters, do the connections. Okay, let's start with ammeter. See, so from R phase is connected to common of ammeter. Connected to common of ammeter. And ammeter, since we are doing star connection, select 5 ampere terminal. Okay. And this ammeter another end is connected to R only. Okay. This starting end of R line connected to common of the ammeter, and 5 ampere terminal is connected to R. See now, this point and this point not directly joined. They joined with the instrument. First you do this connection. Then since you can use this ammeter either in R line, Y line or B line. Choice is yours. But in circuit diagram, we are given ammeter in R line. In Y line, we are not connected any ammeter. Okay. So directly you join. Y to Y, you join it directly. Simply close your eyes and join it. Then B to B. Okay. B to B, you join it. Okay. Join B to B with the wire. So this is the first step. See, I will explain. This end is connected to ammeter common and ammeter 5 ampere terminal connected to R line. Means you should join this pin and this pin through the instrument. Okay. If instrument is not there, then directly join Y to Y, then join B to B. So ammeter is done. Next is you should start doing connections. So starting terminals is completed. Now come to finishing terminals. What will be there between starting and finishing end? So in between B and B dash, there will be lamp load operated with switches. That you need not to worry. So after completing this everything, then start from finishing terminals. See, B dash, B dash, B dash. So now B dash is connected to common of the ammeter. Okay, B dash is connected to common of ammeter. See, I am going to take like this. B dash is connected to common of ammeter. B dash is connected to common of ammeter. And ammeter another end. Okay, that is 5 ampere terminal is connected again back to here only. You join these 2 points with the instrument. Okay, with instrument means in B dash I place the ammeter. So B dash is connected to common of the ammeter and ammeter another is connected to bottom of this pin. Okay. Later in Y dash, no instrument we have in circuit diagram. So simply you join this Y dash. Okay. Similarly, R dash also we don't have instrument. You short with wire. Okay. Small wires. Later you have to do the star connection. What do you mean by star connection? All the finishing end of each phase windings are connected to one common point. So that common point you can do it with a wire. Okay. So join all this. See now R dash is connected to Y dash is connected to B dash. Understood? Like this you should do. So ammeter connection is done. Now think about voltmeter. What is this voltmeter? Line voltage. Okay. See, precaution is, am I connected ammeter between R and Y? No, I connected in one only. If I taken with R, it is ended with R only. That is the safety you should take on while connecting the ammeters. So B phase, if I connect ammeter in B dash, again I ended with same terminal. Look at here, started with B dash and another is connected to B dash only. Means these 2 points are open. I joined these 2 pins through the instrument. Okay, inside this instrument, current coil will be there. Okay, understood. Next, voltmeter. See, you are connecting voltmeter. See, look at here. You connect voltmeter between R and Y. So R is connected to common of voltmeter. R is connected to common of voltmeter. Okay, R is connected to common of voltmeter, and Y is connected to 600 volt. Y is connected to 600 volt. You connect. What I done? I just simply connect voltmeter between R and Y. R I connected to common, Y I connected to 600 volt. What this will measure? Line voltage, because between 2 supply terminals I am measuring voltage. So it is called line voltage. Okay, and this is line current. Okay, this measures a line current value and this measures phase current value. Okay, this ammeter. Then we have to measure phase voltage. Phase voltage means you should think of only one phase, either R phase, Y phase or B phase. Now you connect the common of the voltmeter to the R phase. So I am connecting voltmeter to the R phase. Okay, common is connected to R and 600 volt. 600 volt is connected to 600 volt is connected to R dash, connected to R dash. So R dash, see R dash is here, this also R dash, this also R dash, this also R dash, this also R dash. You can connect either here, here, here or here. So for simplicity, you connect here. Okay. What I done? I connect this voltmeter across R and R dash. You can also connect Y and Y dash. You can also connect B and B dash. Understood, guys? Understood now how to do the connections? Okay. Pause the video and then copy down. Okay. Each bit wire by wire, you pause it and watch it. Okay. So next I will explain delta connection. So pause the video and then copy down. So dear students, once the connections everything is correct according to you, then call the professor or lab instructor. So they will check it. If they said yes, it is fine, then you can connect the R, Y, B and these 4 wires will be there outside the board. Take these 4 wires and connect it to the 3-phase supply mains. See, there also MCB will be there. Okay, you keep that MCB also in off position, then you connect the wires. Okay, make sure that if that mains MCB is in on position, then there 4 terminals are there. There also supply will be available. Okay, so make sure that mains supply MCB should be in off position. Then take these 4 wires and connect it over the main supply. Okay. So once everything connection is done, don't connect this wire to the mains and don't switch on the MCB. First you do all the connections. Okay. Then everything is checked by the professor or instructor. Then you can go ahead. Okay. So don't be hurry. If you hurry, then there will be a lot of problem for you. Okay. So you will go to. Okay. Understood, no? So be careful. See now delta connection. Now again same instruments, everything is same. Now delta connection. See in delta connection, see here 4 terminals are there, na? B dash. If I join this, everything will become B dash. If I join this, everything will become Y dash. If I join this all 4 terminals will become R dash. See, I am not using this last 2. Okay, this last 2 I won't use. In board it will be there, but you will not use those 2 terminals, okay, of each phase. Let's do the connections. See guys, first do the ammeter connections. At the end you connect voltmeter, okay, that is important. See, before doing that, you first connect all the top terminals of the load bank RYB to the top terminals in the board. Okay, so R is connected to R, okay, and Y is connected to Y. Listen carefully. Once it is completed, first time you watch this video, okay, without writing anything. Later you can play once again and then copy down in your book. So it saves your time. Otherwise, you have to write n number of times without understanding. Now B is connected to B. All top is connected to top terminals. Next, bottom terminals. R dash is connected to R dash, okay, and Y dash is connected to Y dash is connected to Y dash, B dash is connected to B dash, B dash is connected to B dash. Okay, don't think that all these are connected. It is a wire. So look at here. Now first, this is the first step, you should do it. Next is start doing connecting the ammeters. In which line we connected ammeter? In R line. Okay, so this is R line, okay, Y line and B line. So now this starting of the ammeter, okay, starting of the R line is connected to ammeter common. Ammeter, while doing delta connection, take ammeter 10 ampere range because it shows more current value for a particular load bank. Because why it shows more means line voltage and phase voltage are equal in delta. So due to more voltage, the brightness will be more. So the bulb will consume full entire its power. So therefore the current rating also increases. So in order to see the better readings, you keep it in 10 ampere range. See now, this R is connected to common. Where I should connect this another time in R terminal only. Okay. Where is R terminal? So R terminal is here. So connected to R. Starting R is connected to common of the ammeter and ammeter another one is connected to R. Finish. So this point and this point are joined through instrument. Next Y line, there is no instrument. Okay, there is no instrument in Y line. So simply I connected. This is Y, this is Y, this is Y. Y to Y I connected. Next to B phase. B phase also no instrument. So I connected B to B directly. Okay. So now come to ammeter side. Means finishing end side. Line current is completed. Now I need to connect the phase ammeter. Okay. So phase current. See, I am putting this ammeter in B phase. Okay. Let's see how to do the connections. See, B dash, look at here guys carefully. Okay. B dash is connected to common of ammeter. Common of ammeter and ammeter another end 10 ampere. Ammeter another end 10 ampere is connected to R. Is connected to R. B dash is connected to common of the ammeter. Ammeter another is connected to R. So next is, what about R dash? R dash, R is here. In between R and R dash, lamp load will be there. Now this R dash, you can connect it from here to Y or from here to here. Both are same terminals. Now R dash you connected to Y. Connect R dash to Y. Okay. Then connect Y dash to B. Connect Y dash to B. Connect Y dash to B. And what about B dash? Again B dash is connected to ammeter. Ammeter is connected to R. R dash connected to Y. Y dash connected to B. It forms delta connection. So now you think about voltmeter. Now I want to measure line voltage. You connect this voltmeter terminals between any two lines. See, now I am connecting here. Okay, I am measuring this voltmeter between R and Y terminal. Sorry, between R and Y I connect this voltmeter. So this is common point. So from R you connect to common, and from 600 you connect to Y terminal, and from 600 volt is connected to Y. Between R and Y you connected this voltmeter. Next is phase voltage. Where I need to connect in any one of the phase. What is phase? R and R dash is one phase winding. Okay. So you connect this voltmeter common to the R. Okay. And 600 volt to the R dash. 600 volt to the R dash. 600 volt to the R dash. See, while doing, so connection is completed. While doing all these connections, okay, you should not switch on the MCB while doing connection, and don't connect to this RYB end to the supply mains. Okay, so first switch off the MCB. Don't connect this RYB end to the mains of the AC supply. Okay, first do everything connections. Call the professor or lab instructor. Okay, very careful. They will check everything. They will compare with your circuit diagram. If they done a silly mistake, they will give time to recorrect it. Don't get panic. So do with lot of patience. Okay, understood? So once everything connections checked by the professor or lab instructor, then with their permission, now connect RYBN to the supply mains. While connecting these wires to the supply mains, there one MCB will be there. That MCB should also be in off position. Then connect the terminals, switch off that MCB, and then switch on this MCB. Okay. Before switching on this, lamp load should be open. Okay. This switcher should be in open condition. Then switch on the MCB. Then close the switch. Okay. Once they close the switch, okay, it will show the readings: line voltage reading, line current reading, phase current reading and phase voltage reading. Note down all this reading, and in front of the professor or lab instructor, you explain, sir, in delta connection, line voltage, phase voltage are equal, and line current, phase current are differ by root 3, because phase current, line current is root 3 times of phase current. What we learned in theory, practically it is coming. Okay, and similarly for star, you can say line current, phase current are equal, line voltage and phase voltage differ by root 3. Like this we should explain in front of the examiner. Okay, how the experiment will operate. Okay, how you will get readings, how that procedure, what you are doing, that you should write a procedure in your own way, but that matches to the experiment. Okay, understood? Fine. So in next video I am going to upload a wattmeter connection. Understood, guys? So bye bye, take care. Next video I will upload wattmeter connection.